Safety, winner. Referee's 10 up. Number 24, to 11. And son. Straight, unang tira, wala, 24, rebound. Napakasimpleng tira. 2 points. 5 points. Number 2. Hand it back pass. To 31. Roach, number 7, pipin sa 3.
White ball.
Mata. Number 13.
Liza.
Papabaan ng bola sa gitna.
Dexter. Dexter.
Sa gilid. Pasa. Number 24. Number 11. Yes! Nothing but net. 2 points. And number 11.
2 points.
31. Sumalaksan sa gitna. Pasa kay Sasa, number 6. Phoenix at 31, floater, no good. 24, number 11, the 3, number 1, and 2. Delivers for 2 for the first day ball. Number 31, number 7, Roach, balik kay number 31, sa gitna. 13, 31 ulit, sa gitna. Sasa number 6. There's a whistle goal. That's 3 seconds. Highlight.
Number 7.
There's a whistle goal. Number 31. Foul. First. Number 31.
Bonex. 316. Basket.
Second free throw. Pasok ka. Running score. 7 against nothing. Tingnan natin kung sino ang unang makakapasok. Number 31. Pakanayo. Wala. Sasa is there. Maliban by number 30. 30. Nagmamadali. 3-2 ang bilang to number 11. Rivera, nothing.
Foul number 3. Bonex.
Yes, 2 points. Number 13, 31 ulit. Jets. The number 13. Floater, yes. Sa wagas, nakapasok din. 2 points. Renovation. Papa Bola 13 to number 11.
Second goal is good.
27. Ocean. Rebound of 31. Advantage Sasser. Behind the back pass.
Third goal is good.
By number 13. Flores. Of Owen.
Bonex number 3.
Number 11. Second half. Allison. To 3.
Number 14. To reveal.
Yes.
Dexter.
And the connection by 3 and number 24.
Lachlan got the ball. Ramos got the ball now. Number 9.
Number 24. Omarano. Pagbatang tira. Pasok.
Beautiful drive. And then Eagles, number 14.
Number 11.
Dexter's got the ball.
For 3. Nothing but net. 3 points.
It's Buffett. Good ball. Good ball. 14. 14. To Ramos. Ramos.
31 to Roach. Thinking of 3. Babawi ba yan? Yes, sir. 3 points.
Ramos to Lachlan.
Running score.
Number 15.
Next Nagsisimula na umiit ang laban between O&M Renovations and 2-8 Prestige. Agaw ni Sase to number 13. Kinaliwapa, 2 points yan.
Luck is on your side.
Dahan-dahan ni Papa ng ball and number 11 to 3 for 3 points. No.
Second round
Number
of
13
is
is
good.
there. No good. Rebound by
Masok.
number 13 to get in. Agaw ni number 11.
Bonek got the ball.
Number 24 ng O&M.
Is victory.
Agaw yan. Bitawan ng bola.
Give to number 16. 16 for 3. He's waiting for his players.
Tiran. Yes, pasok yan.
Ramos number 9.
Champs, tingnan natin sa pangalawang tira. Universe Bowl, another 1 point. Running score is 14 against 13.
Foul
Ganun
number
natin sa
13.
iklap. Isa na lang ang laban. Loy, number 44. And O&M to 11. Cut by Loy sa gitna. Ikot. Pinasa sa laban. Number 31 nagmamadali. Wala. Rebound by number 44. Loy. Mabawi yan. Loy sa number 11. Titira ng 3. Wala. Defensive rebound by Ocean. Number 27. Yes. Yes. Spaghetti. Layup. For 2. Number 13 to 24. Bessa. Balik sa kanila kapag number 13.
Number 7 for 3.
Sa ibabaw ng 31. And the shot violation. 24. Second shot.
Number 13. There you go. Texas got 2 points.
Yes, sir. So number 24 delivers for 2.
Stop.
31 again.
Reveal.
2-1
Texas number 9. Ramos. Ramos.
Top of the key. So number 13, Massa. And number 16. Baba ng tira, no good. Loy rebounds. And number 5, so Flores number 4, attacking the basket. Yes!
Eagle.
Delivers for 2. Balik ulit.
Eagle.
Jets, tiro sa 3, wala. Rebound ng Kapanyan, number 16. To number 13. To 24 sa gitna. Abanda, wala. Rebound by Loy again.
Talino got the
Nabot
ball
ng
now.
Kapanyan. Viernes to Pelas. Ang ganda connection, wala. Unlucky bounce. Rebound by Itin. Number 13. Number 29. Loader, wala. 24 rebound.
16.
Step back, wala. Loy again. Daming rebound na. Agaw number 24 sa Bessa.
3 points.
Nagpapadali. Lock boy. Ocean, number 27. Labas. Labas. Dash. 9. Tinira. Wala. Wala. Kailangan na namin. Maraming salamat po. Sase number 6 of 2-8 Prestige. So number 7 Roach, thinking of nasa 3 na nga, no good. Rebound by number 31, follow up, no good. Rebound by Ocean. Ocean to number 24. Agaw ni Roach. Roach behind the back pass. Floater, no good. Perez. Number 55, nagmamadali. Gamit sa kanyang rebound sa number 11 sa corner for 3. No good. 24 sa gitna, number 13. Sinusampayan, wala. Follow-up is good for 2 points.
Back to the ball game.
Thompson, number 13. Number 17 now. Enriquez to Judge, number 31. Sasa, number 6. 31 for 3. Yes! Delivers for 3. Judge, number 31. Number 13 now. To Perez. To number 13. Bumabiwa. Wala. Roach. Alalay. Same ball. One ball. Sideline Flores. Yes, sir. One lang nagmamatay sa ilalim.
Laman at the wall. Is Adrian.
This game is brought to you by O&M Renovations. Happy birthday, Boogie Boy. Sasa, number 6. Floater, there's a mission goal. A foul is called by number 13. Substitution ref. Number 13. Number 13 out. Number 13 out.
Foul number
No,
9.
11, sorry.
Good night.
Sasa, tingnan natin sa dalawang free throw.
Adrian.
Unang tira, wala.
Ramos. Eagle.
Tingnan natin sa mga lawang
Number
tira.
7.
Wala pa rin. At rebound niya, Sase. Puting na maagaw. Recovered.
Tira yan.
Pasa kay Roach.
Emil.
Roach, number 7. The 31. Splashing the center. Tira, wala. Sase. Tira sa kanya number 24. Number 13. May nauna pa. Pina. Perez. Pina.
6, 5,
Ball to number.
3, 5, equal, 2 points.
Roach, nagpapaba ng bola.
Sedera.
So Sase. Sumalaksan sa gitna ng 31. Sinubukan ng lakas ni Ocean. Hindi ng iba. Rebound pa rin niya. 31 to Roach. For 3. Yes! Good connection. Boy, number 44. Dahan-dahan. Amang ng Owen ng renovations ng Bano. Ang score 27 against 19 points. Sa gitna. Pasa kay Binalik kay 13. Wala.
26.
Ocean.
Foul.
Ganado. Number 27. Slashing the center. Pasa kay Nino. Mabandang tiro. Wala pa rin. 31. Pasa kay Sase.
Number 14,
Pass.
Pass.
No good. Rebound by number 31. Yes. Delivers for 2.
Back to number 24. 20 fouls.
Ocean number 27.
Stop left.
So Nino, sa gitna, number 13 to Flores. Nag-easy.
Seven,
Pinira na nga. And nothing but net for 3.
Emil.
Tingnan natin, nag-2-8 Prestige Kumabawe. Number 31. On top of the key. The Sasa Prestige. Fake. Pasa. Yes.
Number 24.
Yes, for 2, number 5. Running score is 30 against 23.
Isaac.
7 points. Floyd.
To Emil.
Number 44. Oh, babanda. Yes, 3 points.
Equal, 2 points.
number 31 again. Of Prestige, nagkaka-ball na. Roach for 3! Wala! Sase, ito si Sase. Hindi nasa Eteras. Mag-isa, recovered by number 31. Mounted by number 24. All the way, and they're not losing the ball. A ball turnover. Substitution ref. Substitution.
Warning for penalty block. Number 15 got the ball.
Number 11 on ONL renovation. Number 15 sa gitna. Tapos yung number 27, umikot. Iniro sa 3. Maswerte ba? Wala. Tapik na number 31.
Foul.
31. Got it by number 13.
Penalty.
Dahan-dahan tinira, wala.
Penalty.
Number 6, Sase sa ilalim, wala pa rin. Kanya rebound for 2 points. Roach, nakagaw ng bola. Pagkakabit pa number 13. Number 13. Pumps, pabantak nira for 2 points. Kunting-kunting.
And go. Blocked by number 15. Number 9. 14. Number 9.
Roach.
Ramos got the ball.
Yes!
Cesena 14. 24.
Number 24, Flores!
Isaac got the ball down. Legal. Isaac. 2 points.
Chance for 3, wala! Rebound, number 24. Wala pa rin. To number 11, Thompson.
24 again.
Dalawa ng babatay.
Isaac.
Substitution ref, substitution.
Offensive. Substitution ref.
Wala na ito, 18.
Sub. Pasok. Labas.
The birthday boy.
Pasok.
Number 13. 29, tinira sa 3. Masyado malakas. Flores, number 24. Rebound. Dahan-dahan nagbababa ng bola. To 3. Tinira sa 3. Number 1. Yes! Unang. 3 points. By 3.
Saan ka na mo?
Mabawi ba si Jens? Cut sa gitna.
Saan ka na?
Yes! 2 points. Very quick answer. 5, 2, and 8. Prestige, number 13. Itira ulit. Philippine champion. Number 13, Prestige. Fancy dribbling to number 24, Sylvester Sumalaksa. Yes, sir. Delivers for 2. Number 11 to 13. Walo ang hinahabol ng Timberlake. Number 11, base, step back for 3. Wala. And that's the Ocean. Ocean to number 1, but loses the ball. Turnover Valley violation. Number 31. Jumps number 31. Count. There is a whistle called.
Back to the
Sloppy
ball.
violation committed
Happy
by
birthday, Dennis.
31.
Ako galing kayo mga Dennis. My game.
Number 13 of ONL.
Cheers, buddy. Happy birthday.
Second down by Flores. To number 11, Vinny Leon. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Mabago. Mabago niya kaya ang score. Nag-iisip. May nasa kay number 24, Sylvester. Sylvester to 31. Attempts. Slashing the center. Plays in, no good. Number 13.
30 all.
Absent number 11. Pangalawang tira, yes! There's a whistle call. Number 1,
Three.
is foul.
Oh, back to the ball game.
This is the third quarter of the ball game. Lloyd, number 44, pasa. Number 17, nagmamadali. 17. Tapik ni Lloyd.
Back ball.
24 sa gilid, wala. Lloyd. Rebound. Dribbling. Looking for his teammates. To 3. Wala pa pala. Titira yan. Balik kay Fiernes. Lloyd. Sa gitna. To Ocean. Wala. Number 24. To 17. Tutuloy ba? Pasa kay number 24. Wala. Ganasan ang pasahan. Unlucky. Nagkakaroon. Number 24. Flores. Floater. Wala. Rebound by number 31. Nagpapadali. Tutuloy ba? Nothing. Lloyd, number 44, sa gitna. To 11, floater, wala. Roach. Roach to number 6, Sase. Sase. Plays in. No good, hindi pa rin.
Foul, number 0.
Tira. 3, 4, 3. Wala. Rebound by parehong number 24. At nananalo ang itim. Number 17 now.
Number 16.
Enriquez.
Number
Sa gitna.
5.
Hey, wala. Ocean. To Flores.
Number 9.
Flores. Balik. Kay Flores ulit. Yes. Pasok yan.
Laklan. Unlucky.
Roach for 3. Wala. Base. Sa gilid. Pabanda. Yes. Dalawang puntos ang sagot. And number 7.
Nakampong sa defense.
27. Si Lloyd. Passing to the cutting player. A very good entry pass by Lloyd, number 44. Roach for 3. Ito kaya boss.
He's in front.
McCoy. Nagmamadali. Pasa kay 3. To number 11. Balik kay Lloyd sa gitna. Muntik na maagaw. Recovered. Yes, sir! 2 points for number 44.
Bonex. Easy layup for number 15.
And now, number 31. To Sasa, number 6. That's on floor 3. Wala. Kanya rebound. Wala pa rin. Ang follow-up. Natira. There's the whistle call. Referees, tama. Substitution ref. Substitution ref. Asa. Agaw na number 24. To Sase. Sase lays up. Yes. Time out. Ref. Nalakas ng bola. To 13. Nino Perez, second down. Game 3. Pasa ka number 24, second down, 13.
Unlucky.
Wala.
Number 15.
Last touch.
15.
it move on? 31 for 3. No good. The 24 Flores. Sa gitna, tinira. Apat yung itim. Number 17. Balik at 31, Gems. There's a whistle goal. A basket, confirmation. Play, count and foul.
Kita sir, kita. Kita ng camera.
13.
Lamang ng pito.
Number
Amen.
4 point, 3-point play. Three for 3. No good. Rebound Yan and Flores. So the ball sa number 27. Iniwas ang Pele. Pasok Yan.
Sa kabila yun, sir, sa kabila. At dito sa bayan.
There's a missed goal. Number 51.
14 tayo, 14.
Walking down. Subdivision ref. Subdivision. Sorry, left.
7 seconds.
Okay na. Ngayon.
Shot clock, 14. Bahay sa kakin. Amen. Nothing. Too hard.
Listen to Anderson, number 11 to 13 again. There's a result called a traveling violation. Traveling violation committed by number 13.
Amen.
Of Owen Renovations. Bola ng C1A. Nagpahabol ngayon.
11.
Tingnan natin. May music ka pa. Number 13. Pasa. Kay number 13. Papago. Sa Enriquez. Wala. There's a result goal. A foul by number 13. Number 13. Second personal foul.
Attention to us,
Third
good.
team foul. Lamang ng labing tatlo. Ang puti. Tingnan natin. Pasa kay number 31, James. James. To number 13. James, 31. Flashing the center. Simpleng pasa. Wala pa rin. 24 to 24. Puti, save in. Flores. Number 11, Allison.
Substitution
There's a
ref.
missing goal. Number 13. Pushing foul.
Ibig. Tama na pa.
13 to 11. Balik at 13. Sa gitna. Nakagaw ni number 31. Nagpapalik ng puti. Tingnan natin. Number 31 slashing the center. There's a whistle goal.
Ay, top
Plus.
ko.
Basket. And a foul.
May foul yun. May foul yun.
Sorry, Raj. Sino foul? Number
Number
13 foul. That's your third personal
Yung foul
foul.
dito kanino yun? Yung foul dito
Bonus
sa
free
susunod
throw,
na
number
kanino yun?
1.
Ay, hindi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayun kayo.
Another 3-point play by
Good foul
31.
lang. Yes, tumaas. Number
Kunin
15.
lang ang lamang.
Begin there.
Isang minuto natitira. Nino. Wala. Number 29. 29. Ang pasa kay number 55. Rebound by 24. 24, 31. 31 Gems. Splashing na naman. Pasa kay 17. Nabitawan ng bola. Balik kay number 13 to 17. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Wala lang. Hindi na pumasok. Unlucky. Okay, now. 28 seconds remaining.
7.
Yes, number 13. Medyo malakas ang pasa.
24.
Number 31 of 218 Prestige. Gems. Tingnan natin. There's
Emil.
Foul. First, team foul. Number 11 now, Allison. Top of the key, Tortino. Number 55, Tunino sa gitna. Pasa. Dalawang pasa yun. Ocean recovers. Tunino sa gitna. Ganda ng pasahan. Wala. Tunino ulit. Wala pa rin. Ocean. Ocean is there. Now, no goal. Flores, number 24. That's a very good defense by 218. Nino, number 55 to 24, Flores. Flores gonna finish the way to goal. A pursuit foul. Number 31. 218.
Bonikin. Number 9, timeout.
Two fouls.
Isaac.
55 Martino to Flores. To Ocean, number 27. Yes, sir. Number 11. Allison.
Sarah, it's okay. That's good.
Number 11. Again, Tunisia goes away some goal. Number 29. Foul. 29. Third. Team foul.
Transition is fast. Emil.
There's a missile goal again. Foul by number 29. It's a shooting foul. Tatlong free throws yan ang igagawan para kay Allison number 11.
Ingot. Number
Tingnan
7.
natin sa nagtira.
Ingot. Good boy.
Yes, sir.
Hey, no eyes. Behind.
Pangalawang tira. Allison pa rin. Number 11. Ang lucky bounce. Tatlong tira yun. That's for 3.
Offensive foul.
Last free throw. Tingnan natin ulit. Lumalabang na ng 14. Ang ONL.
Third personal foul. Number 15.
Allison. Nothing but net. Completed the 3
Emil.
free throws. Umangat na ng 15 points ang lamang. Roach. So dyan, sa laksak. And sa whistle call.
Offred. Emil got the ball.
Ocean. Our very own sponsor for P-Bow, number 27. Fancy pass. That committed a turnover. Substitution ref. So Bessa, number 24.
Sub.
Roach for 3. And the first. Atake. Flores to number 11. Derechong tira yan. A very good layup for 2 points.
Pasok. Sarap. 8 ang malalangit pa.
There's a missed goal.
Adrian
Number
Jose.
55. Pushing foul. Number 13. To 31. Second top. To Roach. Floater. Yes, sir. 2 points. Number 11.
Isaac, good playing. Isaac, stop good playing.
To 55. To Nino. Nino to Ocean number 27. Sa ilalim. There's a whistle goal. Patek sa patek. Iba. At bumangga.
14
Number 7
foul.
Roach. Penalty section. Penalty ref. Penalty. Penalty.
Timeout.
pag pumasok yan, substitution. Substitution, ref. Thirty-one, Nats. 24 sa gitna. 24, medyo short ang tira.
Oh, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Right here, back to the ball game.
To Flores, number 24. Wala. Kapos. Ocean Community turnover. Bola ng itim. 2-8. Rusty. Running score 62 against 46. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Roach. Medyo may kampiyon.
Come on, right
11
here.
to 3. Block. By number 31. At kanya yung rebound. Tingnan natin. Sasalasal sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin yung rebound. Sa tulog Roach. Sa ilalim.
Nice ball from Bonner.
Yes, sir. Knocking down.
Emil.
For 2. 14 pa rin ang lamang. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Allison number 11 for 3. This number 9. Mr. Buzzer Peter. Allison number 11.
2 points from Isaac. Number
Buzzer sa
15.
gitna.
Four
Naagaw.
minutes.
Balik 24. Abanda, yes. Deliver timeout, sir.
44. 52. 15. Wait. Back fake. Beautiful. Yeah, you can see the difference.
Flores to 3. The birthday boy. Number 13 rebound. To Roach. Roach number 7. Dalawa. Kapalyan. Sabo. Timeout. 31 chance for 3. And delivered. 3 points.
Basket good.
Pwede pa, may oras pa. Tingnan natin. Number 13. Kalisin. Ganda ng pasa sa gitna. Delivers for 2. Flores. Number 24. Ay, nakagaw pa. Nakagaw. Ganda ng pasa nun. Tumama sa paa. Bola pa rin ang puti.
Puti foul. Okay na yan.
Flores, number 24.
Against
So Kalisan. 13. On top of the key. 6 seconds. 3. Roach number 7. Tapalian ni Ocean. Recovers the ball for 3. Medyo mapasga. Number 24.
3 points.
Allison. Number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Listen to 11 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Sase. Sase. Idiskarte. Floater is wala pa rin. Talagang tingnan natin sa susunod.
It's on the 7 points.
12 pa rin ang lamang. 50 seconds remaining.
Elbow number 7.
For 3. Not Pasok.
Emil!
Ocean.
2 points. It's only 5 points. Two points, number 7.